Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the BioBidet Ultimate Advanced Bidet. I hadn't seen too many reviews in it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. Just kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this bidet. I'll put a link in the description below to that deal so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So I was looking for a second bidet. I had picked up a cheapo one on Amazon before. It was like $30 or $50, something like that. And it literally life-changing device. It was such an awesome thing. It's like I can never go back now. But I wanted a better one. And maybe you're watching this video, maybe you've owned one before and you want to upgrade. Or if you're watching, you've never owned a bidet. I'd recommend just going and getting a better one right off the get-go. Up to you. But I've never met anybody ever who buys one of these things and says like they don't like it. It's one of those things that you don't know how you could live without once you've owned one. Like I can't even imagine not having a really good quality bidet now for the rest of my life. It's just that good. I know that sounds weird, but you'll know what I mean when you get one. So anyway, I did quite a bit of research on it, asked around on forums, Reddit, things like that, and everybody said, for the money, the BioBidets are the best ones. And I completely agree with that statement. For the money, this is the best bidet out there in my opinion. Why do I say that? A few reasons. One, and kind of the most important thing, is the cleaning function is the best I've ever used on any of the ones that I've ever tried. I've used Toto's before, which are much more expensive. This just cleans better overall, faster, more efficiently, and more comfortably than any other bidet I'd used. I'll leave it at that. Second of all, it has I don't like ones with a remote control. I think it's just kind of a waste. You end up losing it or dropping it, or you have to find a place to mount it on the wall. I like it right there on the seat. It's always right there. You know where it is. You don't have to worry about fumbling around for it. And this thing just works really, really good. Two things I really like about this one. Number one is the cleaning. Number two, I love the fact that this has water temperature, and it's 4 different levels of water temperature too, so you can kind of dial it in to your perfect temperature. So it's always heated water. It's good enough for about 2 to 3 rinses before it starts to get like cold, which it really never will. I mean, unless like you have like 4 people using it consecutively. And then the seat is heated as well too, which makes a really big difference if you live in a winter climate, especially with the water. It can be quite shocking, but the seat, having a nice warm seat, is just like a great feeling. I don't know. It's just one of those things. But yeah, don't spend the money. You don't really have to get a comparable Toto bidet to this one. You'd have to spend easily $800 to get all the same features. This is less than half the price of that thing, and it works exceptionally well. I think it cleans better than the Totos do personally. It does have an automatic dry, which works extremely good too. It's basically everything you need and nothing you don't. A lot of the more expensive seats are just gimmicky, like the auto close lids. This one does soft close, which to me is all you ever need. They have different like disinfecting features. This is completely self-cleaning. It's a stainless steel nozzle. You don't have to worry about it. Cleans itself. It does have a warm air dryer as well, which is nice. I know this sounds really weird, but you really never need to use toilet paper with this thing at all. You may not trust it at first, but believe me, you don't. Between the way as good as this thing cleans with its oscillating head and the pretty strong, powerful air dry, you get done, you get up, you go. It's just a great thing. I love this thing. I would replace it 10 times over if it ever broke, which from what I read, these things last forever. These BioBidets are built really well, and I can attest to that. It feels like a very high-tech, well-made, heavy-duty device. But if it ever got stolen, I guess, if somebody was going to steal your bidet, I'm just trying to give you an example, I would replace this thing in a heartbeat. So gladly pay the same price I paid for it again and again because it's just that good. Anyway, I should mention too, like, I am not getting paid by BioBidet for this video. They're not sponsoring it. This is just purely my opinion. So I thought I'd clarify that too. Thanks for making it all the way through the review, guys. Yeah, if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.